Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this loose bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Now, just using your thumbs, create a circle of hair around the crown of the head and tie this back with a clear elastic band. Apply some spray wax to this section. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then use your finger and thumb to gently pinch and pull individual sections to get a textured look. Now we're just going to divide off the right and left hand side of the head a couple of inches behind the ears on both sides and clip these out of the way for later. So you should be left with a little ponytail with a strip of hair underneath. Combine all this hair together and create a 3-strand braid. And every time you cross over one of the outer strands, just section off a small piece of hair with your fingers and let that drop out, and then repeat that on the opposite side. Then carry on braiding this way, leaving out pieces of hair every time you cross over a section, and tie it off with a clear elastic band. And now all we're going to do is curl those sections of hair that are hanging down. Add some dry texture spray, again I'll leave it in the description below, and pinch and pull that braid apart. Take hold of the end of the braid and gently roll it up until it meets the head, and then just secure it at the top with a few bobby pins. And then also secure it on the left and right hand side of that small bun we've just made. Release those side sections, and starting on the left, we're just going to split that section into 3 and do a regular 3-strand braid, making sure we direct it over the top of the bun and secure it with a clear elastic band. Then just pinch and pull at the edges to make the braid more voluminous. Take the end of that braid and just wrap it around your fingers until it meets the bun, and again secure with a bobby pin or 2. And we're going to repeat on the right hand side. So angle this towards the back of the head over the top of the bun and just do a regular 3-strand braid and secure it with another elastic band. Pass your fingers behind that first braid and grab hold of that right hand side braid and pull it through. Again, pinch and pull at the edges of that second braid. And then just secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Take the end of that braid and again wrap it around your fingers until it meets the head and secure it at the top of the bun underneath those braids. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.